dude.
Your phone's gonna die.
Oh, it's just a random dude.
It's a prank, guys. Look, there's a camera over there.
What?
Up there on the top, there's a camera.
Oh, what up? Hey, we gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Hey, is it cool for you guys' reactions?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
I was gonna tell you I was gonna say, hey, that's my girl.
Oh, for real? So it's cool, we use it?
Yeah, dude.
All right, thanks, guys.
Oh, what video is gonna be on?
Oh, it's gonna be just picking up girls' numbers, just getting girls' numbers.
Dude, I feel so dumb because this never happens to me.
Oh, what channel though? Like, what channel?
Oh, it's Baker's TV, BAKERZ TV. It's actually his channel over there with the camera.
Oh, okay.
That is super funny. No? What? Just happened? What is this for? Oh, number? I have a boyfriend.
Hey, excuse me. What's your number on my phone? Come on.
Is it like a dare?
Huh?
Is it like a dare?
No. It's literally just beautiful. Come on.
Have a girl?
It's okay. I'm done. How about you?
What?
We're gonna talk.
Are you being serious? That's you, bro. I know, I really don't either. His phone's about to die.
I'm wondering if you can put your number on my phone.
That's fine.
Come on, he won't mind.
I will.
You should have let. Come on, man.
Yeah, do you guys mind on being on YouTube? No. Is it fine? Yeah, it's fine. All right, man, thanks a lot. Appreciate it. You guys have a good day. Thank you. All right, guys, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for Gabriel for being with us today. And also thanks to Hosking TV.